Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design a professional email template in Mailchimp. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just getting started with email campaigns, this tutorial will guide you step by step. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one by going to Mailchimp.com and clicking Sign Up Free. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Campaigns to create your very first email campaign and then click on Create. Here you will have to choose the design email option, but if you would like to use this automation feature or this landing page feature, you may also do so. But for this tutorial, let's focus on designing an email campaign. So click on this design email button. And then here, choose how you want to design your email. You may choose to do it from scratch, you may choose a basic layout, or you can also choose a fully designed template. But take note that only these two are free. For this fully designed template, you will have to subscribe to a plan. For this, I will choose a basic layout. And then I will choose this minimal design so that we can fully customize it according to our liking. In the editor, you'll see sections like headers, paragraph, button, divider, spacer, image, and more. To customize, simply click on a block to edit it. Like in this Like in this one, you will see the logo, and then here you will see a short text. And then if you would like to add your own header, you may do so by dragging this heading tile and then adding it here. But since I already have a header on this template, I will just have to customize it. So here I will add a greeting like hello. There. Followed by an introduction to your email, like this one. You just have to customize it if you chose a simple layout or template. Of course, this is just an example for you to follow, so you don't have to put everything that I am typing right here onto your email because all of these are informal. But again, use a text editor to format your content. You may also change fonts right here. You may change colors, or you may also add links. Just to show you, let's try to change the block background here, like this one. If you want to add an accent color so that your recipient will be able to see it much clearer, you may choose this one and then click a different text background like this. And then click on white so that it will be highlighted. Just highlight the text like this and then click here to change the text color. And then choose any color that you would like. So here you will also see text settings. Here you can see, or you can edit the font. For me, I will just choose whatever so that I can show you. Let's still make it aesthetic. Okay, and then here you can change the font size. Let's make it a little smaller. Here you may choose to bold or italize your image or your text rather, and then here you can see the underline button, strike through button, and then here you can add a link. Also here you may choose a different alignment like left, right, or justified. And then here you may choose your text direction, your line height, and then your letter spacing. Let's try to alter that a bit just to show you. And then you may also choose to add a photo right here. Just click on this box and then add an image. And then here you may upload any photo that you want and then click on insert. Just wait for it to load and then you'll be able to see it right here. If you don't know or if you don't have this image block right here, you can easily add it by dragging this image tile and then placing it right here or wherever you'd like. So since I already have my image, I will just delete this block. Now you may add a button text. So this button text will take you to a link or a website link that where you want to take your recipient. For this one, you may customize the button text to something like shop now or learn more. Let's try shop now. Since I will be selling clothes to my recipient, I will do this. And then you can add link to this. Here you may put the link that where you want to take your recipient and then just click on done. Once you're done, you may also change or alter the design of this button, but I will just leave it be. Now if you want to polish the design, click on styles right here, and then here you can change the background color, the body color of your image, or your email rather, and then add a background image right here. You may add a text or change the font of the text. You may also edit the link, the button, and the divider. This is just basically an overview of how you'd like to design your Mailchimp email campaign. If you want to add a divider, this one is the divider. This can easily categorize your email according to the categories or the topics that you're currently talking about. Like it can easily separate your email into sections. For example, this is the body of my image and I want to separate it from my footer. So I will simply add a divider right here to separate the two. And then once you're satisfied with your design, just click on preview right here to see how your email will look like on desktop and mobile devices. Here, it will automatically show you how it's going to look like on your desktop. And then here, if you click on it, you will be able to see how it looks like on your mobile phone. Here, you will see how it's going to look like on your inbox. And then once you think that it's all good, you may close this preview and then send test. Sending a test email is very important to know how it's going to look like. So I suggest that you send a test email to yourself first so that you can fully review how the entire email looks like or if it's enticing enough or if it's engaging enough and then just click on the send test and then you will be able to receive it on your own email. Just make sure that you don't send it to anybody else or else you won't be able to see it. And then once you're done sending a test, you may click on the save and exit. And then here, we will edit some of the settings of your email. Here you may edit the name. So I will change it to monthly sale. And then before you actually send the email, Mailchimp will not allow you to send it to anyone without putting a to, or who you are going to send this email to, without putting a subject. And then you will also see issues right here with your content that you will have to edit. And then it says here that MailChimp will automatically add a required referral badge to your email footer. It means that a MailChimp logo will be put on your email to know where the credit is due or where you edited this email campaign. If you want to edit or to remove this badge, you will have to upgrade to a plan. And then once you're done putting or filling out um, these prompts, these to and subject prompt, you may be able to send it. So once you're done, just click on send. And again, you cannot send it before or without fixing all these issues. And then once you have fixed all of these, you may click on send. But since I will not be doing this anyway, I will just leave it be. And then that's it. You have just completed how to design a MailChimp email template. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Checks tutorial for more tech checks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!